Welcome to Big Bear Trailers and Outdoor. Today we've got a review for you on the Anssems GTB1200 251 VT3. Gosh, I'm getting confused between these models now, but right. So GTB means it's more of a box fan style. 1200 means it's got an 1160 kilograms maximum gross weight. That's the trailer and its load together. This model is 251 internally long, 126 wide and 153 is the internal height with the lid closed. Because it's a box fan, you have got the prop stands to keep it nice and stable when you're loading and unloading. It's over 750 kilograms, so it has to be braked, so we've got that on board. And then at the rear you've got the full width rear ramp, so we can open that up by just pulling these two latches down. Just so you know, they're also lockable as well, so nice and safe and secure. Pull handle down there, and then you've got the full width ramp, and then if you need it, you've then got the lid as well, which has got the solid handles on each side, again both lockable. And then we can push up, as you can see, that then goes up, so great for loading and unloading. You can actually stand up inside there. I'm not going to right now because I haven't put the prop stands down, but just a huge amount of space. Will happily sit behind a van. You've also got the tie points here which are adjustable, so you can just twist, move that forward, lock them off again, so nice and practical. And then when you want to close it down, pull down on the cord, latch the lid off, bring the rear ramp up and lock that off as well. So we can just lock those now. Just a great quality trailer, double skin aluminium planking, very well known for their camping trailers, but obviously this is going to go for more probably of a commercial use, or even to put a small moped in the back of it. If we can help at all, please do give us a ring. More than happy to chat through the models and the options available to you, or take a look at our website bigbearoutdoor.co.uk. Thanks very much for your time. See you soon. Bye now.